Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about why Cathie Wood believes these stocks will outperform Tesla. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on the post notifications so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Cathie Wood is the founder of ARK Investment Management LLC, which currently manages assets amounting to nearly $50 billion. The ETF profits of the hedge fund alone rake in about $225 million a year. In the midst of her lucrative bets, the 65-year-old investor has been receiving a lot of coverage lately. Cathie was named the best stock picker of 2020 by Bloomberg. Cathie Wood is well known for her audacious but prescient bets that always cause a stir. Cathie Wood said in 2018 that the stock of Tesla would reach $4,000. She increased her price target for the EV company to $7,000 in 2021. Her ARK Investment Management hedge fund now holds 7.31 million Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. ARK Investment Fund recorded a whopping 39.74% annualized return, almost triple the output of the S&P 500 over the same period. Of a total of 6 ARK-operated ETFs, 5 registered returns of more than 100%. ARK has $34 billion in ETF assets as of the end of 2020, up from $3 billion by the end of 2019. Cathie Wood spoke about ARK's venture fund, major themes for 2021, blockchain, and other investment ideas in a recent interview with Yahoo Finance's Jen Rogers. In particular, Wood spoke at length about innovation in the automotive industry, with a particular emphasis on electric vehicles. Let's dive deeper into what Cathie said during her interview about the EV industry. The world is moving away from conventional combustion engines to EVs, Cathie said. This change has strengthened the trust of ARK that the capital markets will fund this entire transition. Wood also spoke about Chinese manufacturers of automobiles. She thinks that the next big winners might be Chinese EV firms. She also listed XPeng Inc., an electric vehicle company. While ARK does not have a stake in the company, Cathie believes that it emulates Tesla. Cathie likes BYD, a Chinese maker of automobiles and batteries too. In their more specialized strategies, ARK possesses BYD. She also spoke about Geely's car company, which bought Volvo. According to Cathie, she also spoke about Geely's car company, which bought Volvo. According to Cathie, the Geely chairman holds a job with Daimler, the manufacturer of vehicles. Cathie said that in terms of working with different firms, including the Chinese technology firm Baidu Inc., Geely is doing a lot of interesting things. Self-driving car technology company AutoX was another interesting car company listed by Wood. Here are some of the stocks that ARK has invested in. NXP Semiconductors NV. For electric cars, NXP Semiconductors makes software and services. Presently, NXP has a market capitalization of $54.6 billion. The company has been able to produce a respectable 42.57% return over the past 12 months and settled at $194.39 at the end of February 12th. ARK Investment Management spent $51.93 million and acquired 326,634 shares of NXP Semiconductors. Baidu Inc. Software and applications for EVs are produced by Baidu Inc. The company recently announced that it plans to set up an intelligent EV company and has formed a strategic relationship with Geely Automobile, a car manufacturer. Baidu Inc. has a market capitalization of $111.2 billion at present. In the past 12 months, it delivered a remarkable 142.40% return and was able to settle at $313 per share at the February 12th closing. Rockwell Automation Inc. Rockwell Automation is a manufacturer of information management and industrial automation. In order to provide its customers with sustainable and more productive vehicles and other goods, the company is committed to industrial automation and knowledge. In order to provide education for farmers who want to learn new technology, Rockwell recently opened its Electric Vehicle Innovation Center in Silicon Valley. Rockwell has a market capitalization of $29.1 billion at present. Over the past 12 months, at the end of February 12th, it was able to offer a 24.78% return and settled at $249.18 per share. Currently, ARK Investment Management owns 55,862 Rockwell Automation shares. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited provides electric vehicle semiconductors. The firm currently has a market capitalization of $593.8 billion. Over the past 12 months, at the end of February 12th, TSM was able to produce a 140.68% return and settled at $138.06 per share. 4,507,394 TSM shares worth $491.48 million are owned by ARK Investment. BYD Company Limited. BYD Company is a manufacturer of automobiles based in China. Battery-powered bicycles, buses, solar panels, trucks, and rechargeable batteries are also manufactured here. Presently, BYD Company Limited has a market capitalization of $111.6 billion. The company was able to produce a whopping 506.90% return over the past 12 months and settled at $34.22 at the end of February 12th. Cathie Wood said that the BYD business is part of its more specialized initiatives. Currently, ARK Investment owns BYD's 864,427 shares, worth $45.6 million. BYD occupies 0.12% of the gross equity of ARK. Tesla Inc. According to Cathie Wood, Tesla is the best EV stock to buy now. Over the last 12 months, Tesla is up around 333%. Presently, Tesla has a market capitalization of $783.3 billion. Over the past 3 months, at the close of February 12th, it's delivered a respectable 51.29% return and settled at $816.12 per share. One of Tesla's greatest stakeholders is ARK Investment Management. The fund holds $2.9 billion worth of the company's stock. Around 7.76% of the overall portfolio of ARK is accounted for by Tesla. Cathie Wood projects that the transition from the internal combustion engine to electric vehicles will be driven by Tesla. In her interview, this is what she stated. Although the EV stock market is still an opportunity-filled, budding industry, it is one that also faces difficult challenges, leaving space for expensive errors that could have other consequences. Stocks of electric vehicle rally all year could have distracted some investors from business challenges. In a short period of time, the EV market has risen rapidly, generating a bullish market attitude. However, given the EV investment risks, investors may want to temper this excitement. During the last decade, the electric car industry in China has seen considerable growth. China has spurred EV creativity by encouraging EV use through public policy initiatives and fiscal support. China's EV stocks, such as NIO, Li Auto, and Kandi, have seen an increase in China. A McKinsey & Co. July study found that sales in Europe EV increased by 44%, making the fastest growth rate since 2016. According to a study by McKinsey, Europe has seen the fastest rise in EVs. The study also found that China saw a 57% decrease in EV sales and a 33% decrease in US EV sales. Although Europe saw a 25% rise in the market share, EV sales contrasted dramatically with Europe's EV growth in relation to other regions. Tesla comes to mind as an electric car winner in the US, but Mike Juran, CEO of Altia, says that it's conventional original equipment manufacturers that will advance EV growth. He says, General Motors, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and Toyota will be the real drivers of EV growth. The industry has all the ingredients required for continued innovation as new players grow. Investors should consider the perks and disadvantages when it comes to investing in EV properties. The electric car industry is likely to continue investing in itself to boost ease of use and eventually solve industry obstacles in order to continue taking innovative steps to become a mainstream product that captures consumer trust. It comes with a heavy lift and a price tag, but it may be beneficial. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas,